Welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, back out in the farm, working on this Mitsubishi Pajero. We're going to be swapping out the airflow mass meter. Super easy job, guys. It's going to take us about 2 minutes to get the job done. This particular video is going to suit any of the V6 Pajeros, the petrol Pajeros between 2000 and 2006. Guys, you might be here because you have an engine light on the dash. Maybe you're having poor fuel economy or just a simple misfire, but this is certainly something that if you've used a scan tool and it says airflow mass meter, you can just swap it out for a new one, guys. We have them available here at Parts Factory. If you need it, I'm going to throw it up on the screen here. Links in the description below. You click it, order it, then throw it in, and I'm sure that these types of problems are going to go away very quickly. Alrighty guys, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so you can see your part just there. Bang. Now, the quickest and easiest way to get these off is actually just to pull your whole airbox. So you just go, you got these metal clips around the edges of the box, and then you can just unplug this plug here, like so. Just lift up this airbox, and you'll find the air filter might be inside there. That's all right. Now, do you see this 10mm just here? You undo that. Just like so, little 10mm, loosen her off, and at that point, the whole airbox will just lift up, and you kind of want to give it a twist, like so. That way you can just loosen off that 10mm a bit more. You want it pretty generously loose, and then there you go there. Now, you flip it over. Again, you're going to have your filter there, so you may as well, while you're in here, clean her out. Try and do this over an area where you're not going to drop the bolts, but you got those 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4. All my 10mm are dropping into the airbox there. And at that point, you can just go like so. And there's your airflow mass meter there. Now, we do have them available at Parts Factory. So if you do need it, jump on the website. Usually what you want to do is match up this number here, but from my experience, if it physically looks the same, it will be the same. Obviously, just make sure that it's between an 00 and an 07 Pajero V6. And yeah, that's how you do it, guys. Obviously, to put it back on, same procedure in reverse. There is no actual seal here. Sorry. So just make sure that this seal's in position before you go ahead and reinstall your new mass meter. I recommend putting it actually on the mass meter itself. Guys, you can probably go ahead and give this a nice clean. As you can see, this car's never going to be used again, so you can just rotate that upside down. What I might do is I might lift. Do you see how that filter's seal rather is trying to drop out? So I'll lift the box up and lift the filter into the box, then flip it back. That way we know that seal hasn't moved at all. You got one there, and so on, guys. You got your 4 to do up. Once they're done, we'll reinstall. And at that point, you can give the car a start. And if you still have an engine light, guys, don't forget. Sometimes you just need to. Now, if it does spin like that, just pull your thing out, or your filter out rather. Put your hand on the back, grab the other side of the bolt, tighten it up, etc., etc. Reinstall that filter, which is this direction, like so. Obviously, I'm not going to be reinstalling this properly, guys. There is no real reason for me to do that. But at that point, flip it around. Chuck in that hose on first, making sure that the seal around the outside, all the way around, is equal. Air filter in place. You get that hose clamp, but exactly where it was in the first place. Now, you still want to grab it and make sure that seal's nice still, and chuck that on. You got those metal clips. Everything is pretty straightforward, as you can see, guys. But I do understand that sometimes it's good to see someone else do it before you start to tackle the job. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, all done, in and out in under 2 minutes. I know it's a quick and easy job. I trust that the whole car's now running as you expected, guys. Make sure if you do still have an engine light on, just go ahead and either undo your battery terminal or clear it with a scan tool, and that way it clears off the dash, and then I'm sure it's not going to pop up other than that. Alrighty guys, my name's Lucas. Thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. See you next time.